Hey, what's up, broskies? Philly here with another video. Alright guys, so today we got a special video. Our good friends at ADD-W1 sent us a special gift for our 350Z. And for all the 350Z owners, this is a must for your cars. Especially because, you know, fucking HRs or Ds, any in general 350Zs, they burn oil. We're gonna try their sick oil catch can. And they actually sent us not one, but 2 kits for our HR, but we're gonna try to only install one. I mean, you guys don't have to spend fucking double the money, you know. But for DE owners, only 1 kit is necessary. All right, so all of you with DE and HR motors, shit, I'm actually kind of low. Check it out. You guys know what I'm talking about. But we're gonna throw some oil after. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the covers. Damn, this is my first time actually removing these covers. All right, broski, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my air box, air intake air box. Careful with your sensors. And then this little clip right here. Damn, hey, wait. Just 10 right there. Nobody has taken this thing off in a while. Stuck. There you go. You ain't gotta ask for permission. Alright. So I kind of want to have it right here, and then we're gonna use our bracket. We're gonna mount it right there, actually like this, and bam, somehow like that. Let me start off by removing these 2 bolts, and then we'll see how it goes. Where's my 10, bro? With my 10, oh, it's right here. I knew that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. Alright, let's put this bracket right here. Somewhere right there now?
You bend it a bit. Should be good.
Alright. I'm not gonna tighten it up all the way, just so I can move it, you know, just in case I need to. But should we put the airbox back to see how it fits? Oh, by the way, I just replaced my air filters. They were really nasty, huh? They were like bad.
Black.
Ah shit, trash can came already, but I got some brand new ones already. Just throwing that out there.
You can see it in there too.
Yeah? Yeah, brand new. Man, look how perfect this shit fits. Nice. Alright.
Yeah, that shit fits perfect.
There you go. Plug this back up before I forget. Tighten up my air intake. Alright, I'm gonna move these 2 wires to the side just so we can get some clearance for the hoses for the inlet and outlet. And bam. I'm thinking of cutting it right here, but I don't know, maybe we don't have to, but maybe I will, just so it looks cute, you know. Like I said before, we have our bracket right here, and then we secure the oil catch can right here with this bolt, and then I also installed the, what are these called, bro?
Nipples?
The nipples,
right?
The nipples. Both outlet nipples right here.
So
outlet
big-ass nipples.
Before we started this video, I thought we were gonna need 2 oil catch cans for each side, but I just noticed that these the PVC from that side and the intake outlet, they both run into this side. So all we have to do is just, we're only gonna use one, so that's good. At least for all you HR owners, you don't have to spend on 2 oil catch cans, so one will work. And yeah, I'm gonna disconnect this hose right here, the PVC and the intake, and then once I do that, I'm gonna run my new lines and we should be good. She's hard. Bam. So now I'm gonna run, the PVC runs in the inlet, right? Let's check out our instructions. So oil catch can outlet to intake manifold. So this is our outlet and then this is our intake, right? Basically manifold. And then this is our PVC, which goes into our inlet. Yeah, inlet and outlet, outlet and inlet. Let's get this, boys. In your kit, you're gonna get this long ass line. Should be more than enough, and then these little 2 pieces. But I think we're just gonna need these 2 little ones. We'll see about this one. And they also send you some brand new clamps. Check it out. More than enough to do the install. I'm gonna need like 4 clamps. So right now I'm running my line from the PCV valve to my, what is it? My inlet, which is this one right here. Just gotta cut it right here.
Got it.
Get it.
Cut it.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
There you go. I put my hoses on, clamps are on right here, nice and secure. And then also they sent me this beautiful clamp,
Hose holder.
hose holder for the hose. You know what I mean? Put this right here, and then bam. What do you guys think? See or no? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Isn't that beautiful, Derek?
It's pretty nice.
Pretty sick, huh?
Matches your car.
Yeah, matches the car. They have different colors. I think blue, black, red, and I just went with red because it matches my car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Check out this little dipstick right here. So basically, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna drive the car for about 500 to 1,000 miles, and then we got this cool little dipstick right here, so we can check the level. And then once it fills up, we'll empty it out. I guess in a couple of weeks, months, we're gonna do another checkup video and then see how much dirtiness we get in this catch can. You know, what kind of bugs we catch. Just kidding, but no, yeah, we're gonna check it out. But yeah, that's it. Pretty simple install for the HR. We might do another video on a DE since we do have an extra one, but we'll see. Sick as full or what?
Yeah, it fits perfect.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I've seen other videos, and for DEs, it goes on the other side. But we made it fit. Fits perfect on this side for the HR. I think we're like the only. I think we're the first ones doing it on a HR Z, huh? I was searching for other HR videos on this exact same oil catch can, and we couldn't find any. So I think we're the first guys. So
Si se puede.
si se puede. One more thing, food. All right, bros. We're missing one little thing. Stickers. Gotta represent. See if I remember how to put stickers on. Bam. There you go. And there you have it, boys. Thanks again to ADD-W1 for sending me this beautiful product. Totally recommend it. Everybody needs this, bros. So I'm gonna plug their info on the description box so you guys can check it out. Save all Z's, bros. Alright, broskis, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and smash that like button. Thank you, Derek, for filming this with me. I love you, bro. And shout out to everybody, you know, everybody with the Z. Go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.